dinosaur.
Crocodile.
What you will say to crocodile na?
Bye-bye.
Thank you, crocodile.
Welcome, crocodile.
Huwag mo ano yung nakita ka dito.
Wah,
Ano ka ba? Bad yan.
This is eating.
Yeah, it's drinking water. Let's go other one.
let's go na.
Let's go. Let's go other side. It's hot.
Other side.
Marcos. There is Marcos. This baby crocodile. Baby
hot?
crocodile. Small baby crocodile. Because you remove your sandals.
Baby crocodile. Baby crocodile. This side na because